So it's December 5th. In Southern California, there's a really big Santa Ana coming through right now. So I wanted to do a test for the Phantom 4 to see how well it does in wind. For the most part, it seems like it did pretty well. I'll post the video right after this, but in midair, the drone is pretty much, like this, just to compensate for the wind that's trying to push it away. But the camera stays pretty level, so it seems really good at making sure it's level, and so yeah, guys, just check out what you're about to see right after this, and that should determine how well it does. The gusts that I was flying it in were probably at least between 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts. So the whole time the strong wind warning was on. So yeah, there's no doubt that it was really windy conditions. So you might not notice anything in the video, so here you go.